Another little quick tutorial we can do is the shove it. Basically, you want to have your back foot on the tail with your toes hanging off a couple of inches so that you can get that grab and sweep back. This foot is going to be a little bit front center. It's not going to be directly in the middle of the board, but not directly on or behind the bolts. You want to have it a couple, maybe about 4 inches back behind the bolts, balancing on this front foot. That's going to be your center of gravity right here. You're going to want to hop up off of that foot, and while you hop up, you're going to kick this foot back while gripping that tail. And that's it. Sometimes it seems a lot harder than it actually is. This isn't a pop shove it, it's just a regular shove it. But really, all it is trying to keep this leg in that position so that you can keep everything smooth. And what that's going to do is while the board is turning, this foot isn't coming up. It's not going off to the side or nothing. You're not trying to kick the board out. This foot is just to do the catch and to steady the board in its position, while your back foot is doing that motion. Practice small little movements at first. It can be a little scary trying it the first few times because the board is spinning and maybe you're afraid you're gonna fly out or fly out that way and bust your butt on the concrete or asphalt. That's why the key is to keep your center of gravity over this front leg. Be right over that front leg. Do your little hop and scoop. Maybe the first few times that you try it, just practice like a little hippie jump on this front foot without scooping it, just to practice your weight landing right back on this front foot. As you get more comfortable with the balance, you feel like you have control of the board, it's not going to fly out on you, then you could start adding a little bitty scoop. Don't even try and land on the board. Just do what I did right there. Get that little scoop and land on the concrete. That'll get you used to the spin. Whenever you're ready to go all in and commit, get the setup, front toe hanging off, and just do little bitty ones. You don't have to do a complete shove it, 180 the board all the way. Turn your body a little bit and land in a different position until you're ready to go for a full spin. And that is how you do a shove it.